Hello there, welcome to my new video, and today I'm gonna reinstall the CPU cooler with you. If you're new to this channel, my name is Alina and I recently started filming videos about my PC, so make sure that you watch the other two videos that I have. One is about how I built my first PC and the second one is about how I destroyed the CPU cooler. So I hope you enjoyed them, and let's get started with this video. As you might know, I have my CPU cooler already installed in the box, so I don't need to do any preparation and I just need to take it out. And if you wanna see that preparation, you can see my previous video about CPU cooler. I've done all that before. So now I just need to open the case and remove the CPU cooler and change the part that I broke. As for the CPU cooler that I'm using, it's a Cooler Master Hyper RGB Black Edition. It's pretty nice and I hope the temperatures will drop even more after I fix the problem with the cooler. This is how it looks right now. First of all, I'm gonna remove the graphic card and then I'll remove the motherboard with everything. By the way, having a magnetic tip on a screwdriver helps a lot, especially in those areas where it is so hard to take it out. Here is our motherboard with the CPU cooler installed and also the memory. We don't need to unplug the memory because it's fine, it won't distract us from our main mission here. So first of all, I need to unplug these screws, and one of them is, as you might know, destroyed, so it actually is holding on 3 of them, and today I need to remove these guys and change it with the new stuff that I got from the Cooler Master. As you can see, it was my mistake. I put too much pressure on it, and actually this guy, and this guy, they all left this sticky stuff on the motherboard, and I think it shouldn't be like that. And that's why I think I'm gonna change all of them, since I got like the full package from Cooler Master, and if I have the new parts, I think I'll just use all of them, even though I just need this Where is it? This guy, see it? But they are all kind of destroyed because of the pressure I put on them. I just realized that it wasn't necessary to remove all 4 of them, because actually now I need to put them all back with the new part instead of this one. Here they are. I'm kind of scared to put more pressure, but like I cannot really move them without the screwdriver, so maybe that's it. I'll check it again, but I think that was enough. Finally, guys, the most stressful part is over. I might tighten them up a little bit more, but I won't do this, and I won't recommend you to do the same, because you might just destroy it like I did. So I'll leave it like that. The cooler won't fall stable now, so whatever. Now I have all of them connected, maybe not that perfectly that it should be, but at least I didn't break anything. So yeah, that's it. I installed the cooler, and now I just need to put it all back and connect it all together. All done. It was really easy. I didn't even need to consult the instruction, and now we'll turn it on. I forgot to connect the keyboard and the mouse. Everything is working now, and I'm running some stress tests to figure out the temperatures that I have now. And also there is a small problem. The RGB is not working yet. I need to figure that out as well, but apart from that, everything else is working perfectly fine. I'm very glad. I did it in less than 2 hours, and I was taking it really slow, and I was filming, and yeah, in general it would only take an hour or so, maybe even less. Just finished the second stress test after putting back the side panel, and the temperatures actually dropped by 5 degrees in comparison to the previous measurements that I did when I ruined the CPU cooler. And yeah, I think it's an improvement, and I'll sleep better with it. And also yeah, I'm gonna show you the temperatures again. So here they are. The maximum was 65 degrees and the average was almost 60 during 14 minutes of the test. I think it's pretty cool, and it's a nice result. Also, I need to figure out this RGB problem, but most probably it should be done in the software. I should check it again. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and write comments, and also turn on the notification bell. That would be really helpful for me. And thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.